going on, guys? It's your boy S for James. I'm now back with the video. I'm doing the install for the NSYolo car cover seats. Got it. Actually, I'll show you guys my layout real quick because this is it's actually kind of wild. I had to like basically break these up into what's what. Like this is supposed to be the passenger's front passenger seat, and that's the piece to the regular driver's seat, and those are supposed to the back. And I have other mats right here. We come in right here. I'm actually starting to install on the front seat, so I'll show you guys how it's done. It's gonna be a little rough, real quick. That's how I gotta angle this, but let's get to it. So first part of it kind of just goes right on. There's a little zipper on the side of it. You can unzip it to help you out, so you have some more room. Then you need to slide it right over. There's little buttons on top, up here. Little buttons on top that are like right here that you want to unbutton. Let's make a way to get this thing down. Fight these a little bit to get them on. Open up the back door seats. Let's come to the back side. Damn, it's roomy back here. My mother is rather short, so yeah. Seat's a little bit closer up than normal. Put that buttons onto this. Kind of want to push the bottom seat piece. This is kind of weird. Look like it just hooks in right here. So I guess it goes in. There's one. Hooves in right here. Goes around. And I'm guessing this right here, this little piece. It's two elastic pieces. One here. And let's go to the back. Back side. Comes right here. And I guess it stretches through. Maybe not. It is super elastic. Let's go over here. Kind of a different look. Different look for sure. And then let's put on the headrest. Headrest is a little Velcro-y. Ooh. All right, so that gets the headrest on here. There's a little Velcro piece on here as well that you can stick it onto. Trying to find it. There we go. Woo! Coming out. There it is. A little Velcro piece. And you can stuff it right on the side here. And then boom. That's that. All right, so also, guys, fun fact. And one of these headrests is not this one, but I'll show you the one over here. There comes with some more tools, and it tells you on the instructions as well, like what they're for and stuff like that. The instructions they give you guys, the front and bottom, get these little things, these little hooks right here. That's 4 piece. So let's come back to this front seat real quick. Also, whatever I'm doing on the driver's side will be done to the passenger side. So if you see how I put it together on this side, it's the same thing again. So there's this and there's this. So it's not rocket science at all. You're gonna slide this thing in right here and boop. And then we're gonna take the other one right here and boop. And we'll put that back down there. That connects these two, you know, keep them together. Anything like that. Just make sure we slide that on here. If not, let's grab another one. Let's do the other two. Slide it right down in. Boom, that's that one. Take the other one right here, slide her on in. Wham bam. Then you want to tuck them in the back. Tuck them in through. Just keeps these connected. Everything like that. Sure. Well, that we just did the Velcro on this one. Pull these down. So this has it down here too. And then bring the other one right here. And oh no. This was a little harder. There you go. Keeps it all together. The seat right here. This is the whole seat. He's gonna give you the whole overview of the whole seat, what it looks like with it on. This is the driver's side. Honestly, I think this is great. It's pretty darn comfy, and it's pretty cool too. Like, as in like cool wise, not hot, anything like that. It doesn't feel cheap. Really nice. Has a little bolster back here, headrest and everything too for your head. So that's nice. Everything clips on pretty well. It's pretty straightforward. That was the front. Now we're gonna get to the back side. So you're gonna have to remove your seats, your back seats, like lift them up a little bit, because there's no other way you're gonna be able to get this to go. This, like if you has to come down here and connect. Oh, well. So you gotta get that over there. One of these again. It'll come right here. Oops, I did that wrong. Boom. That will probably come all I'll come all the way underneath. I'll basically be underneath this. You can wrap it around. So that's just the one part of it. Right here. This front part right here. This has a little weights here too. So what we can do, we'll do this early. Put that right there. Strap it with the other one right here. Whoop. All right, that's that. That's gonna come down right here. Right. Little headrest piece right here. Up. Come up. Clip. Boom. This would go in the seat right here. Fits kind of relaxed. You can kind of tuck this in a little bit right here, or at least attempt to. But yeah, it should hold itself right there. I know this looks a little wonky now, but it'll look better once I put everything back on. It'll make more sense and whatnot. So a little flimsy right here for right now. That's fine. Well, all right, guys. So I'm basically about almost done down here. Everything does have to go underneath. Like I said, you do need to pop this open. Like, I mean, take up the good here, the bottom seat. We're all good here, you know. I had to take that apart, lift this up. This is how I hooked everything in, so you can see everything all hooked in just like that. Once you're all done, gotta put these back onto their respective spots. And I'll put this last piece on, and then once we're done putting this on, we'll show you everything once it's all done.